Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share the recipe for the viral Dubai chocolate bar inspired chocolate pistachio kunafa stuffed dates. Ramadan is around the corner and you can make these pistachio kunafa stuffed dates, which is very easy to make and you can share with your family and friends. Each date is stuffed with pistachio kunafa filling, topped with melted chocolate and garnished with chopped pistachio. It's so simple but such a delicious sweet treat for this Ramadan. For this recipe, we need katafi shredded pastry dough. I'm going to use the half of the packet. You can finely chop the katafi or pastry dough with a knife or food processor. You can toast the katafi in the stove top or in the oven. I will show you guys both ways. First, I will show you the oven method. Just spread the katafi in a sheet pan and drizzle some butter and bake it in the oven 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until the katafi becomes crispy and golden color. Just make sure every 10 minutes stirring, and so that the katafi that will roast evenly. Since I am doing it in the oven, I am doing the whole packet, so I am going to save the half of them for my next recipe. Once it's ready, you can take out from the oven and let it cool for some time. Look at that, how crispy and golden it became. It was very easy. Next, I will show you the stove top method. In a large pan, you can melt the butter and you can add the shredded katafi and toast until golden and crispy. It takes around 10 minutes. Keep stirring until golden brown. Toast on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Then you can add the pistachio paste, chopped pistachios and tahini. Mix it well until everything combined together. Here I am using medjool dates. Try to use large, soft and fleshy dates. First, make a slit into each dates and remove the seed. Now you can fill the dates with pistachio kunafa filling. For the chocolate coating, I'm melting 1 cup of milk chocolate, adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil I'm using the double boiler method. You can use the microwave method also. Both are fine. Stir until the chocolate is melted completely. You can dip the stuffed dates in the melted chocolate and try to have a thin layer. So then put it on the parchment lined tray. And then you can garnish with some chopped pistachio on top. These viral Dubai chocolate bar inspired stuffed dates are so rich and simple to make, but a delicious treat for your loved ones. A quick and easy treat to make and store in the fridge. Let them rest in the refrigerator for 10 minutes or until the chocolate has set. Pistachio Kunafah stuffed dates are ready. These dates can be stored in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 1 month. You can make these edible gifts for your family and friends for Ramadan. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Happy Ramadan!